Yan po mga kaibigan ang quarter scoring. At nakita nyo yung magandang ratsyada ng Formula Shell dito sa third quarter para makabalik. At dito sa pag-uumpisa ng fourth quarter, isa na lamang ang kalamangan ng Formula Shell, Dr. J.
Yeah, they were able to come back because na-shutdown naman nila sa 15 puntos lamang yung Mobiline. So each team has played one good quarter of very solid defense.
Yes. Ito, dinodoblehan si Silas Mills. Nilabas ko Chef Francisco Al Solis sa team McLaren. McLaren balik ulit kay Francisco to Silas Mills at right quarter court. Inside, Mills, mahirap na tira yun. At dalawa sumalubong sa kanya ron, si Benji Paras at si Donald Williams. Si Benji Paras ang tatawagan ng foul. Meanwhile, we've got another report coming up here from Ria Tanhuaco. Ria?
Well, dito sa panig ng Mobiline, may bagong pakulo na naman si Mrs. Coach or si Mrs. Marisa Altamirano. She has all the wives and girlfriends to make posters for their particular beloved phone pals, as you can see. At ang maganda doon, all the posters were stuck on the wall bago dumating yung mga phone pals before this game started. Let's see if they can draw some inspiration from that. Ed, let's go back to you.
Well, it looks like it's working. Mobiline has been playing very aggressive basketball dito. Bagamat sa kasalukuyan mga kaibigan, itabla, maganda rin ang ginawa ng Formula Shell nung third period.
That's right. Tama rin yung ganun dahil parte, naalala mo naman, nagpunta ako sa NBA, sa United Center, sa Chicago Bulls locker room, outside. Maraming posters dyan from the fans. Lalo na sa mga paborito na. But to the whole team in general.
Pero yung Mobiline wives, maganda rin yung ginawa nila. As Donald Williams, ito na yung sinasabi kanina ni Janelle na hinihintay ng Formula Shell na pumutok itong si Donald Williams from three-point country.
Pinagagalitan na naman ni Mills si Alvin Teng. You know, napapansin natin minsan, nakita ko yung isang game, pinaalis na sa coach at inalis ng coach
game
si
one,
Alvin
diba?
Teng. Pero hindi lang siya pinapansin ni Alvin Teng.
Hindi niya yata alam na karatista yan. 66-64. 2-point lead para sa Shell. Jose Francisco, nilabas kay Al Solis. Mills to McLaren. Sumaksak si Alvin Teng sa ilalim na bitawan ng bola pero merong foul na tatawagin. That will send Alvin Teng to the line. First personal yan ni Noy Castillo.
But siyempre, kailangan pahingayin si Jerry Esplana who really played a very good third quarter, led his team back into the ball game. And so, medyo kailangan pahingayin muna. Alvin Teng at the free throw line. Maganda yung unang tira.
Coach Perry Roquillo in a pensive pose here.
Well, he has to, in his mind, he has to contemplate when do I bring John Best back. Right now, my team is holding on, pero marami akong mismatches. So I have to do a lot of double teaming and triple teaming. Ito naman si Best, may penchant talaga fumaul ito. Diba, baski nasabihin ko, 5 fouls ka na, hindi niya iniisip yun, di ba?
Nasabi nga natin, itong si John Best, kung minsan nga, hindi na niya iniisip yung kung ilan ang fouls niya. Ngayon, nakaupo siya sa bench with 5 personals. Noy Castillo looking at the shot clock. It reads 5 seconds now. Castillo, tangan-tangan pa rin ang bola. He'll have to put it up.
Maganda! Ayun, tinapon! Tinapon! Bahala na! Sabi niya, bahala na. Tuwa siya.
Napangiti tuloy si Coach Perry Roquillo. Parang nung una, gusto niya pagalitan si Noy Castillo kasi nakababad doon sa bola yung kamay.
Hinihingi na nga ni Williams. Ayaw pa niya ibigay.
Napaganda pa tuloy. Ito si Silas Mills against Chris Jackson. He takes it inside. Good drop pass to Alvin Teng.
So 4 straight points for Alvin Teng. Good assist pass coming from Silas Mills. 1-point lead para sa Shell. Nasa fourth quarter na tayo, partner.
Totoo yan, Dr. J. Meron na lamang tayo 9 minutes and 46 seconds remaining in this game. Donald Williams nakawala. Pero hindi pumasok ang tira ng Jose Francisco para naman sa rebound for Mobiline. They're up by 1, 69-68. P. McLaren lamang kay Vic Pablo. McLaren nakatingin sa loob. Dilabas kay Jose Francisco. Al Solis to Silas Mills. Down to 5 seconds on the shot clock. Mills to Al Solis. Unang mintis niya sa 3-point area. At nakagawa ng bola. Napulot rin na Al Solis on attack from Silas Mills.
Matulis yung tira ni Al Solis na yun.
Mills, look away pass.
Outside.
At natawag si T. McLaren kay Silas Mills. Saan ba gusto kukunin yung bola?
Si Silas Mills naman, he just turned his back.
Wala na magagawa.
Okay lang, wala tayong magagawa.
Nangyari na. 9 minutes and 8 seconds remaining in game number 3 for the championship. of the Governor's Cup of the PBA for 1998. Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng ating mga suki. Ito po si Ed Bigson. Kasama si Andy Howe para sa Vintage Television. Donald Williams, spin jump shot, wala. And Mills grabs another rebound. Mills bounce pass to Al Solis. Nakarap sa kanya si Chris Jackson. Titikada na naman si Solis. Dalawang sunod na minutes from three-point country.
That's another foul by Benji Paras. And that's number 5.
Pang-5. Oo, pang-5 na. Pareho na sila ni John Best, Andy.
That's right. Si Benji medyo pagod na rito. Kaya talon ng talon siya. Medyo nalilate na yung kanyang talon. Si Alvin Tay, presko. Kaya may problema. Dualan has to be used.
Oo. Tinawag ni Coach Perry Ronquillo si Joel Dualan.
Pero hindi pa pwedeng pumasok dahil huli na ang dating niya.
8 minutes, 39 seconds remaining in the fourth and final period. Team McLaren, nalabas kay Al Solis. Ito si Silas Mills with a double team on him. I-denive ni Chris Jackson. At merong foul.
Alvin Tay also dove to try to force a jump ball situation.
Pangatlo ni Alvin Teng.
Well, dito, you're gonna see 2 starters of Formula Shell sit down for quite a while here. We still have 8 minutes and 28 seconds left. Parehong 5 fouls yan si Benji at saka si John Best. So, siguro pahihingay ng as long as they can. As long as they can hold the fort.
Well, labang pa ngayon ang Shell ng isa, 69-68. The slimmest of leads. Vic Pablo attacking Team McLaren's defense. At nawala ang bola sa kanila. Narito si Al Solis, binigay kay Jose Francisco. Francisco playing a smart ball game here. Nakatingin kay Team McLaren. Vic Pablo with a tap. Nakakuha ni Noy Castillo. Castillo starting to break. Binigay kay Williams. Pull-up jumper by Williams. Yes!
Pero hindi bumaba yung dalawang imports ng Mobiline in that last play. Kaya naging 4-on-3 situation. Si Duala, doon na lang siya sa likod.
Yes.
Sabi niya.
Ito si Team McLaren. Nagre-reklamo pa dahil he felt that there was a foul on that tap by Vic Pablo. Silas Mills. Mabilis na.
Binato niya. Technical yan. Binato niya si Jackson ng bola. Wala na yun.
Ni Silas Mills sa chance si Chris Jackson ng bola. Third personal na Chris Jackson, pero meron technical na tatawagin dito kay Silas Mills.
Technical foul, Silas Mills.
You're gonna see this play here. Tapusin natin kaya ito.
Tapusin natin ito.
Yan ang foul. Hindi pumasok ang 3-point play. Paghawak ng bola, babatuin si Jackson ng bola at nakita ng referee.
Kita. At the last play, mga kaibigan, tinawagan ng technical foul si Silas Mills at tumira ng technical free throw si Donald Williams pumasok. Kanya ang kalamangan ngayon ng Formula Shell is 4 points at 72-68.
Well, 2 free throws ngayon para kay Silas Mills. He makes the first. Pero tignan mo naman ang shooting, ang scoring ngayon ng Shell dito sa second half. Si Williams taking over the scoring chores, hindi ba?
Totoo yan.
Siya naman ang kumukontribute dahil 2 points lang ang naibigay niya sa team niya nung first half.
That's right. And so far, Donald Williams has contributed 16 points here in the second half alone, and including 10 points back in the third quarter. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng Shell after those 2 free throws by Silas Mills off the foul by Chris Jackson. Donald Williams medyo naiirita kay Alvin Teng. Uy, nabitawan ni Vic Pablo ang bola. Uy, mahina yung tapik. And the ball goes out of bounds in favor of Formula Shell, pero 5 segundo lamang ang lalabing sa kanilang shot clock.
Alam mo, ginamit ni Castillo yung utak niya. Dahil kung hawakan niya ang bola, sa kanila nga yun. Pero umuubos ang oras.
Totoo
At
yan.
least dito, to throw in ka 5 seconds. May oras ka, di ba?
Yes.
Yan, babato na naman niya yung ganyan niya.
Ang layo. Pero si Chris Jackson nandun para sa rebound. Binigay kay Vic Pablo. Here now is Donald Williams on the run. Sama ng tira na yun. Pero si Jackson na naman. Nandun sa ilalim and he gets it to roll in.
Alam naman natin, specialty of the house yan kay Jackson. Rebound, offensive rebound especially.
Talagang nag-aabang yan dun sa ilalim. 4-point lead para sa Formula Shell. Jose Francisco may tangan ng bola ngayon para sa Mobiline. Tony Boy Espinosa is the point guard now for Mobiline as Team McLaren runs into the defense of Formula Shell. Merong foul na tatawagin.
Naman natin si Jennifer.
Maganda nanay.
Jennifer Pingley, maganda rin. Nag-party, dali mo sa Chowking, di ba?
Siyempre, para masaya. Samantala, Tony Boy si Team McLaren is at the line. Pumasok yung unang tira.
12 points, 12 rebounds. Not a big scoring night so far, no? Ayun, nakadalawa siya sa free throw line. So medyo umakyat ang kanyang percentage. 4 out of 6 na siya, 67%.
Samantala na ibaba niya ang kalamangan ng Formula Show to 2. Ito si Joel Dualan saka si Alvin Teng. Dalawang bato-bato. Medyo nagpupwestuhan doon. Noy Castillo got open. Missed the shot. Silas Mills with still another rebound by our count. He's already had 13 of those caroms tonight.
One of those days. Para sa kanya, talagang madali rebound. Magaling rebound itong si Silas Mills.
Ganda timing, Samantala, paikot-ikot ang bola para sa Mobile Line. Tony Boy Espinosa, top of the key, 3-point shot.
Si Dualan.
Dualan na tumalon.
Taka ginamit niya yung katawan to box off Alvin Teng.
Samantala, Donald Williams, binabantayan kay Team McLaren. Vic Pablo against Jose Francisco. The kick out to Williams. Williams to Castillo, napitawan ang bola. Tries to recover it. He dives for it. And it goes out of bounds in favor of Mobile Line.
Tama rin yung ginawa ni Castillo. Kung hindi niya dinive, papunta na sa dalawang yellow shoes. Ang bibilis ng takbo, fast break. Maski na mabaki siya, tatanggapin din. Bumalik na si Benji Paras para kay Dualan, who has played well, at saka si Jerry Esplana bumalik para kay Noy Castillo. Pero si Bes, wala pa, no?
Wala pa si
nagwa-warm up si Bes doon sa corner, talaga nagpapainit na siya ron.
Nag-stretching doon. It is a 2-point lead by Formula Shell, 74-72. Narito si Silas Mills against Jackson. Benji Paras! And a traveling violation will be called on Silas Mills. At kita-kita mo, talaga nagpipigil ito si Silas Mills. Meron na isang technical sa kanya. Sabi niya, teka muna.
Actually, both imports of Mobile Line have one technical foul called each on unsportsmanlike conduct. Pero si Benji, humabol pa rin ng blanca.
5 fouls na yan. Yung mga reflex action, no?
More than anything else.
2-point lead by Formula Shell. Nasa kanila ang bola. Jerry Esplana, binabatihan ni Tony Boy Espinosa. Magandang pihit ni Esplana. Tumulong pa si Jose Francisco pero hindi pumasok ang tira. Narito si Team McLaren. McLaren in the front court. Out to Tony Boy Espinosa. Silas Mills. Binigay kay Team McLaren. There's going to be a foul.
It's going to be on
Vic Pablo.
Victor Pablo, his second foul.
Pangalawang personal foul on Vic Pablo.
Vic Pablo has had a very quiet night, just like what he had in the second game. Ayun ang scoring na binabanggit namin ni Donald Williams. In the first game, Victor Pablo was a big hero for Formula Shell, especially in the third quarter. Back to 50% na naman. Malapit na naman.
Masyado matulis yung kanyang free throw.
At saka wala siyang parehong rhythm. Almost every free throw shot na paiba ng paiba. No? Wala siyang
may consistency ka dyan.
May rhythm. No?
Pre-shot routine. Para sa golf. No?
Katulad ng waging ko.
Yan. Patent din yan.
5 out of 8. Not bad. 62% from the free throw line.
Pero balita sa atin si Janelle Swan near the Formula Shell bench. Janelle.
Okay, at kanina hinahanap po si Richie Ticlon and I'm sure marami naghahanap sa kanya. Well, si Richie nandito buhay na buhay dito sa kampo ng Shell at kanina kinongratulate niya yung mga teammates niya sa pagkakasungkit ng technical foul para kay Silas Mills at sinabi niya sana makakuha pa na isa pa at pag nakadalawang technical fouls na, alam niya na kung ano ibig sabihin nun.
Alam natin. Ito si Silas Mills. Sabi niya, technical. I-score na lang.
Dito kayo umabol. Hindi siya umaayaw. Unang tira niya, hindi pumasok. Rebound ulit. Lamang na isa Mobile Line.
75-74 ang ating score, mga kaibigan. Samantala si Donald Williams. May tangan ng bola ngayon para sa Formula Shell. Binibigyan ng pick ni John Best. Esplana, 7 seconds on the shot clock. Esplana, labang kay Espinosa. Biglang pihit ni Jerry.
That's a bad shot. That is a bad shot. Masyado niyang matagal hinawakan ng bola tapos persado siya tumira ng alanganin.
1-point lead para sa Mobile Line phone pals at 75-74. 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining in this game. Silas Mills laban kay Chris Jackson. Biglang pihit ni Mills. Wala. Here comes Chris Jackson with another rebound. Ito si Jerry Esplana. Mills is still in the backcourt tying his shoelaces. Donald Williams. Wala. Espinosa.
That could have been a big one. That was a 3-point attempt.
3.5 minutes to go in game number 3 of the championship for the Governor's Cup in 1998. Narito ngayon sa Jose Francisco. Binigay kay Tony Boy Espinosa. Espinosa nakawala. Inside. His pass. Napulot yung Jose Francisco. Yes!
Good soft shot.
Yes! Jose Francisco has played a very steady game on both ends of the court para sa Mobiline. Tumawag naman ng timeout si Perry Ronquillo. So ito ngayon pagkakataon ng Mobiline na palakihin pa itong 3 puntos sa kalamangan sa kasalukuyan at 77-74. Kanina po na interview ng ating kasama si Ronnie Nathaniel, si bagong pangulo ng PLDT o ng Mobiline na si Mr. Manny Pangilinan. Uy, bad pass. Picked up by John Best to Donald Williams.
Yan, humihingi ng sumenyas ng foul si Eric Altamirano. Fumaul naman kaagad si Tony Boy Espinosa. Fumaul, huwag natin bigyan sila ng fast break.
Ang 4 na foul yan ni Tony Boy Espinosa. Kung hindi pa rin nyo napanood kanina mga kaibigan, ginanap yung ating annual awards night ng PBA. Ang ating most valuable player, Kenneth Duremdes. Ang ating Rookie of the Year, Danny Ildefonso.
Very deserving awards.
Oo. Uy, magandang pasa ni Chris Jackson to John Best. Ang ating most improved player, Dr. J, si Patrick Fran.
But he's injured. He's seated on the bench in uniform, pero alam natin may injury pa yan. So, baka makabalik yan, depende.
Siyempre pa, yung ating kababayan si Freddy Abudam, ang Sportsmanship Award for the 2nd straight year. As we go to the last 2 minutes of the game, brought to you by Hope, the largest selling luxury cigarette, Donald Williams.
Pambihira na tira yun. Parang ang bilis ng baba ng transition defense ng Mobilite. Pambihira yung tinira ni Williams na yun.
Turnover points by Juan Milachel to cut the lead down to only 1. 78-77.
Lamang na Shell ngayon, no?
Lamang na Shell, Ito naman ngayon si Silas Mills inside.
Easy
Gets it back for Mobiline.
Easy 2 points, sabi ni Silas Mills.
27 puntos na ang ginagawa ni Silas Mills. Dito sa larong ito, nasa Mobiline na naman ngayon ang kalamangan at 79-78. Jerry Esplan at Chris Jackson. Hinahanap si Donald Williams pero parang anino itong si Jose Francisco and a bad pass given up by Shell. Goes out of bounds in favor of Mobiline. Only 1 minute and 19 seconds remaining.